Hello everyone. So this question is from this June 2016 and question number is 67 and question is again from countability and uncountability of a set. So let's start with the question. So question number 67 in June 2016 and A is any set and P of A is power set of A, or basically we can write down the P which is a subset of A, or B such that B is a subset of A, set of all subsets of A, basically called power set of A. Then which of following statement is true about power set of A? So first option is P of A is empty for some A. So simply the number of element in a power set of A is always 2 to the power number of element in A and which is never 0, or we can say phi is always a member of a power set of A. So hence power set of A is never empty set for any A. So your first option definitely false option. Second option is power set of A is a finite for some A, and we have already discussed that A is a finite if and only if power set of A is a finite, simply by definition of cardinality of power set of A. So if we will take any finite set, then obviously power set of A must be a finite. So your second option must be true. And third option is power set of A is countable for some A. So now based on the definition of a countable set, a set is countable if it is either finite or countably infinite. Since the second option is true, so obviously third option is true. Whenever A is finite, power set of A is finite. So when power set of A is finite, then it must be a countable. So based on some of the book, there is another definition for countable. They are countable is which is similar to set of natural number, but we are using the definition a set is countable if it is either finite or countably infinite. So if we will take A finite, then this option definitely true option. And D, power set of A is uncountable for some A. So if we will take any set A which is infinite, or we have already discussed that the power set of A is either finite or uncountable. So if A is any infinite set, so this implies number of element in A is greater or equal to, or if not, implies number of element in power set of A is greater than or equal to 2 to the power L, if not, implies power set of A must be uncountable set. So if A is any infinite set, definitely power set is uncountable. So there are some sets for which power set of A is uncountable. So D option also true option.